Holidays are coming. I've got you. Don't worry. I'm so excited to share with you my ultimate holiday gift guide. I'm gonna start with something that I was so excited about. This is the Dream Gleam Luxe eyeshadow palette. I'm actually wearing it today. Palettes are such a great thing to have for yourself, but also to gift to others. We have some classic shades that you can wear every day, but then also some pops of color and shimmer. So as you can see, nice pickup of your shimmers here, and they look so good on everybody. A must for yourself, but also a great gift for somebody else. Okay, this is exciting. There are 5 new shades of the Longwear Cream Shadow Sticks in really fun colors for holidays. Check this out. This is Sapphire. I also have Emerald here. How pretty are these jewel tone shades? You can actually use these as beautiful, kind of smudgy liners on the eye. Let me grab a brush and I'll show you quickly. So this is so great if you're working in office and you want to change your look from day to night. This is so small to put into your handbag. See how pretty that is? One more eye set. This is the Luminous Smoke eyeshadow duo set. So this comes with the perfectly defined gel eyeliner. This is in pitch black. This stays, it does not move. And then our classic cult favorite, the Smoky Eye Mascara. And then here's our duo shades for every day. This is a Swipe and Shine Crushed Oil Infused Gloss Trio in Nude. Everyday go-to, you have 2 beautiful nudes, one a little cooler tone, one warmer, and then this beautiful topper gold. If you haven't tried this formula, it is so yummy on the lips. That lip gloss set also comes in a more cool toned berry set. This is the one that my mom will be getting for sure. Mom, I hope you don't watch this before Christmas. Okay, so this is a really fun one. This is the Glide and Glow Duo Set, a mini of the highlighting powder, and then a full size of the Crushed Oil Infused Gloss. So such a cute gift, and this is such a great size to put into your handbag to take on the go. So this is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. You get 2 of them, which means it could be one for me, one for you, or for someone that really loves it, they're going to get 2. Also a really fun one, this Sheer Shine Extra Plump Lip Serum Set. Look at the shades. We have Bare Pink and we have Bare Plum. So I'm obsessed with this formula. This serum goes everywhere with me. It's such a great treatment. This is a Smoky Gleam eyeshadow palette. Of course, I go straight to the shimmer. Look how pretty that is. These shades are just your everyday go-to, but then you can top it off with a little bit of sparkle. And again, that shade is so pretty. I actually want to go put it on right now. I think my mom's gonna want this one too. Happy holidays.